eDNA sampling is a very sensitive approach, so you have to work as sterile as possible. That is why one has to wear gloves all the time, and ever since they are on, avoid touching anything but the sampling bottle. First you have to check if it's safe to enter the water. If that is the case, identify the water flow direction and make sure you approach your sampling site from below, against the flow direction. One should do that to avoid disturbing the sediment and cross-contamination of the eDNA sample. Then, before you start sampling, make sure to clean the 1 liter sampling bottle with the stream water above your standing position. Now, move one step forward to take your sample. Wait a few seconds and let the water calm down. Let the water gently flow into the bottle by putting only half of the bottle's opening into the water instead of putting it entirely below the surface. After the bottle is filled up, gently close it and return to the filtering station. At the filtering station, first take the collection container and seal it with a rubber plug. Then add the connection adapter. Now connect the modified car battery to the pump and connect the pump to the collection container via a pipe. Test if the pump works properly. Make sure the entire pumping system is connected. Now grab the filter. Firmly tear the foil and eventually remove the filter. Quick reminder, there's never too much checking. Plug in the filter to the adapter and make sure it's well connected and kept at horizontal position. Now grab the water sample. Make sure the lid is slightly opened so that you can easily remove it from the filter pump. Before you transfer the water, gently stir it to properly mix the eDNA sample. Gently pour the water into the filter cup and close the filter with the lid. Then you can start the pump. When the water in the filter is at low level, stir the remaining water in the bottle and refill the filter cup while still pumping. Repeat the process until the entire 1 liter of water from the bottle is filtered. Switch off the pump and gently applying some force, remove the filter cup, leaving the lid with the filter still attached. The filter is now containing all DNA particles we target on its membrane. Then you should Take sterile forceps. Remove them carefully from the foil by grabbing only the top of the forceps. You have to make a half fold of the filter, then press the folded ridge of the half filter. Now half fold it again, twice before pressing it for the final time. Afterwards, grab it with the forceps on your right hand and open a new Eppendorf tube with your left hand. Place the filter in the Eppendorf tube. Be careful not to touch the lid of the tube at any time. Finally, fill it up with 96% ethanol and close the tube. Place it back in the storage box and put it into the cooling container. With that, the eDNA sampling is done. Now it can be transferred and be processed in the lab.